Uh, I started to lose my hair about 10 years ago when I was like 21, 22. And first I was trying to use a little bit of the hair fibers and didn't like those at all. So about 5 years ago, I paused my hair and started to shave my head. And now it's like, I didn't want that anymore. I wanted something else. I wanted my hair back. My name is Miri. I'm 31 years old. I currently work as a project coordinator for an IT company. When I was trying to use the hair fibers, it wasn't really working for me in that sense that it didn't look natural at all. I already had gone too far to say in the hair loss that there wasn't any more hairs for those fibers to attach to, and it was just like putting paint on the bald skin, and it didn't look natural at all. Where I learned about hair system was from TikTok, actually. That's where I started to see all these people doing their hair system installations and maintenance and all of that, and I found that to be interesting and started to watch those, and I was like, maybe that would be something that I should try. And I saw some that were great, some that weren't that great, and that was one point why I wasn't immediately running to get one. Then I thought about that, saw the good ones, and was like, why not try it? Because why not go with the professional and just try it out and see how it looks. When I finally made the decision to get a hairpiece and found this place and found out that there was times available very quickly to get a consultation, and I booked it online, super easy, super fast, came here like 2 days after that, had the consultation, went through so many different options and felt super welcomed here and very professional. The manner how we went through all the different styles and what types of systems there are and how they are installed and all of that. It felt super professional, and I was so happy about it, how much I feel like I can trust that I will get a good system. Then we ordered the system that I wanted, and it came in in few days. My experience at the end, great. While, to be honest, the hairpiece went on my head the first time, I was like, oh my God, what is this gonna be like? It looks like a bad wig. But then when we started to cut it, put it on, started to style it, I was like, oh my God, it looked so good. And it was just amazing. I'm definitely gonna be completely open about the system that I have. I'm proud of it. I don't see a reason to hide it, even though I understand. For me, it was also when I started to look into the hair systems, like, oh, do I want to tell people? But now that I have the system and I made the decision, I was like, I don't want to hide it. I was bald, now I have hair, and I have an amazing hair, so why not just tell where it came from? For me, it was just like I wanted it for myself. I didn't want to do this for anyone else. It was just for me to feel good about myself, me seeing myself with the hair again. Here we are on the installation day, and it's been just great.